Hey beauty gems, in this video I'm showing you how to go from this to a twist out with this hairstyle. It really just changes up the style, make it more voluminous. I start off with some oil, and you want to make sure you always have oil on your hands when you do a twist out because it just helps the twist separate very easily. And you're going to see me just start taking my finger through the top and simply pulling through and unraveling it. And that is how I am doing this twist out. Again, make sure your hands is oily, because if the hair isn't oiled, it'll just be ripping through. Obviously, these twists aren't as juicy as it was on the hairstyle when I originally did it, because it had been at least a week or so. So yeah. It still was moisturized, but it wasn't as moist as when you install it, because of course I used that Shea Moisture, cream on her hair. So yeah, but you see right here, I'm just using that oil to my advantage. I go up and down. You won't see me grabbing for more oil, but you can see my hands are glistening. But as I went through her entire head, I just separated the twist this way with very oily hands. The oil I am using is from Camille Rose. I'll put that all in the description. Anything I used in any of my videos, you can just click the link to in my description box or in the comment section. Either way, you'll know how to get these hair products. But to be honest, you can use olive oil. You can use black castor oil, long as it's an oil that's not super heavy but makes the hair super shiny. And you see I am just going through it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, follow me on all platforms. And yeah, you see me just breaking it apart, and I'm pretty much just going through the entire head. You're going to see me lifting up some parts as time go by. These will get puffy. If you get them wet, it could get too puffy, so it all depends on the look you're going for. And I'm spraying it with oil sheen just to give it some more oil, make sure it's nice and shiny. And yeah, you want to make sure your scalp is glistening. Now we're about to lay these edges. And yeah, we're pretty much done with this look. You can see it's really cute. But like I said, you want to make sure you moisturize. So you can spray like a water bottle and do like a little shower on it just to make it more moist. And while wearing this can last about a week as well, as long as you tie it up, wear a shower cap, and all that good stuff. And you see I'm just slicking our edges. Make sure you don't wear this in this state for too long, because it will lock up, especially if you have 4C hair. This hair is so cute, and it's just bouncy, and it's just beautiful. It's very easy, low maintenance, something you could just get through the week. And if you're tired of wearing it like this, you could just retwist it back how I did it in the original state it was in. And you see, it's really cute and crinkly. If you want to learn how to install this hairstyle, just click the link if you're watching on YouTube right here. If you're watching from Facebook, just click the link in the comment section. Peace and hair grease. Bye.